Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Trying to remove iCloud without the password can be illegal in many places. It can also permanently damage the phone and void any warranty. Bypass tools often contain malware or cause the device to become unusable. You may lose all stored data and personal information if you proceed. Law enforcement could consider unauthorized access a crime in your jurisdiction. The safest approach is to use official Apple channels or contact the original owner directly. If you acquired the iPhone legally, first contact the previous owner to request removal. The prior owner can sign in at iCloud.com and remove the device from their account. If you cannot reach that owner, gather original proof of purchase before contacting Apple support. Apple can process activation lock removal when you provide valid ownership documentation. Visit an Apple store or authorized provider with the receipt and the locked device for assistance. If you are the original owner, recover access by resetting your Apple ID password. Use iForget. Apple.com and follow the prompts to receive verification via email or phone. If you have two-factor authentication, complete the recovery process using your trusted device or contact Apple for account recovery. Once signed in, erase and restore the iPhone through settings to remove activation lock. If recovery fails, bring the device and proof of purchase to an Apple store for assisted removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.